Hi guys, we are here at Maitom, Sarangani Province. Ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa river. Sobrang ganda guys, at saka mura lang yung entrance niya guys. Andun yung river nandoon. Doon di mo lang makita kasi malayo. Ayan. Sobrang ganda dito guys, grabe, promise. Sobrang ganda dito guys. It's so nice here at Maitom, Sarangani Province. Ayan guys. Oh, sobrang ganda. Yan dun ganda talaga guys. Yan, taas ng bukid guys.